Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about tutorial how to create a website for your handmade soap and bath products business. Easy and quick. So first type Dorable on the search. So as we know, Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So first, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Uh, now Now select your industry. Handmade soap and bath products. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, the first section on the website, the header, you can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the site name, here if you want to turn this on and upload the file, you can change the label or add a new label. You can add the link here if you want to edit your social links, and here if you want to add a channel, you can select the type of the social link, for example this, and here add the link. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning, or the social icon, the size, large, medium, small, or the shape, large, medium, circle, square, rounded, the spacing, or this, or the top or the bottom, and here the background. You can change the color of the background. So let's save this and let's move on. If you want to add a section, you can add it from here. Just select any section you want. That's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to turn this on and add a new label or add the link, the style of the section, if you want to edit the style, you can edit the spacing, medium or small or large, the top, the bottom, also like this, the horizontal alignments, for example this, the background or the image, if you want to edit the image position, here if you want to generate another image, the background overlay, and also here if you want to turn this on and combine with the header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, you can also generate image, another image. You can upload image from browser from here. Just click here and pick any image you want from browser, from library, for example this, or from Shutterstock. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Next section is the text section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can generate a text section. You can generate this text. You can also edit the type or the size of the writing. You can edit the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the background. So let's save it and let's move on. Next section is the list section of the website. You can change this here if you want to change or edit your display settings. Choose which will be displayed for each list item. You can edit your list items and you can add the list item. You can generate image. You can edit the image position And here if you want to generate the title or the content, so let's save this. Here if you want to edit the style of the section, the alignment or the image or the spacing or the background, so let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can add testimonial. Here if you want to generate a code, you can generate by who. And here if you want to upload a file, so if you want to edit the style of this section like other section, so let's save it. Next section, the location section of the website. You can edit it from here. Here if you want to change this or change the business address, you can add the text files, additional text files. You can add the title or the content. So let's move on to the next section, the contact form section. You can generate another contact form. You can edit the size or the type of the writing. Here if you want to manage files. Here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels. Also here if you want to generate form success message. And also here you can edit the type of the writing. You can edit the style, the form alignments, the spacing and the background. So let's save it. Next section, the footer section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change your business name, you can turn this on and upload a file. You can add additional details. If you want to add your business address or any other relevant details, you can edit your social links. Also here if you want to add the channel, you can select this, just the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So that's it. Let's save this. Now if you want to regenerate the content or the style or the entire section of any section you want, just click regenerate and select any option you want. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up, from here. If you want to move it down like this, or if you want to delete it, just click here and it will be deleted. Now all you have to do is click save and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Wait a few seconds. And now you can click here and can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.